Warranty terms and after-sales service are crucial for ensuring long-term reliable operation. Warranty policy overview. Standard warranty period, duration. Typically ranges from 1 to 3 years. Coverage. Includes defect in materials and workmanship. Extended warranty options. Availability. Some manufacturers offer extended coverage beyond the standard period. Benefits. Provides peace of mind and additional protection. Service contracts, inclusions. Regular maintenance checks, priority repair services, and discounted parts. Importance. Ensures ongoing performance and reliability. Terms and conditions, requirements. Proper installation, use under specified conditions, and routine maintenance. Exclusions. Damage due to misuse, unauthorized modifications, or natural disasters. After-sales support, resources. Access to customer service, online manuals, and technical support. Importance. Quick resolution of issues and ongoing assistance. Repair and maintenance process. Contact the manufacturer or authorized service center for repairs. Turnaround time. Generally completed within a few days to a week. Understanding the warranty policy and after-sales service is essential for maintaining the long-term reliability of a micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifuge.